Hello, hello, hello! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Michelle Mills and I talk about how to heal your eczema naturally. I did it myself and I know you guys can too. I talked to you guys from all over the world. I've talked to people from Croatia, Kenya, I have a friend in Malaysia, hi Tan, and I'm just so happy to meet all of you. And today I'm going to tell you some habits that you should develop that are going to speed up your healing process. Number one is get a good night's sleep. I know you're thinking to yourself, well, my eczema keeps me up all night. I'm so itchy, I don't know what to do. Well, number one that you should do is take a glycine before bed. It promotes better sleep. And you should also take a milk thistle a couple hours before bed or a little bit after you have dinner at night. So the milk thistle is going to cut down on the itchiness, and the glycine is going to help you have a better night's sleep, but it's also going to help you heal leaky gut. So what you want to do is allow yourself around 8 or more hours every single night so that you can try to sleep. I know sometimes it can be hard, especially with stage 1 eczema, but you should try to get to bed around 10 p.m. and wake up around 7 or 8. And if you work, try to switch it. So if you work every day and you have to get up at like 6 a.m., make sure you're going to bed at 9 p.m. or at least settling down and trying to get the best night's sleep you can possibly get. And another suggestion I have is the easiest way that I fall asleep is I will go onto YouTube and type in sleep meditation.
Welcome to this guided sleep meditation.
I don't know why, but it puts me straight to sleep every single night. Number two, it is so important that you are getting regular exercise. So not only is it going to boost your metabolism, but it's going to regulate glucose levels, it's going to lower blood sugar, basically the same thing, and it's even going to lower your blood pressure. So I know for some of you, when you're going through eczema, that's not your only issue. You're also dealing with maybe heart problems or clogged arteries or so many other problems, and getting regular exercise is really going to help regulate your whole body. It also helps to balance out hormones, and it's going to put your body and your mind in the right mindset so that you can heal your eczema. Not only that, if you break a sweat, you are detoxing that way as well. So I'm not sure how true this is, but I have heard somewhere from a doctor that when you sweat, your sweat actually has antibacterial, antiviral properties to it. So it's detoxing everything from the inside, but it's also helping your skin by getting the bacteria off. I'm not sure the validity of that statement, but maybe you guys can do a little bit of research and see what you see on that. Number three is to get outside. So I have mentioned this doctor before, but I really love Dr. Axe, and I'm reading his book, Eat Dirt. And in this book, he talks about the importance of being around literal dirt. So dirt has so many minerals in it, and it has so many little microbes, so it has bacteria in it, but it's good bacteria. And the more our bodies are exposed to this good bacteria, the easier it will be so that your body can start to heal, leaky gut will go away. So what you should do if you live in a warmer climate, or it's the time of year where it starts to get a little bit warmer, what I highly suggest you do is get your bare feet in the dirt. So not only does this ground you, literally, so the earth has a negative charge and it works to literally ground you. But again, it has lots and lots of microbes. Also, when you buy organic local vegetables, all you have to do is rinse it off lightly with some water. It is okay if you eat a little bit of dirt. In fact, it's probably going to benefit you. Also, by getting outside, you are getting sunlight, so make sure you are using a sunscreen just to block some of the harmful UV rays. But vitamin D comes from the sun, and vitamin D is extremely good in healing the immune system. Number four is a daily habit. Just try to purchase and wear soft clothing. So silkier materials are usually a lot more comforting to eczema. Very soft materials like cashmere are also nice, or you can use a synthetic cashmere if you're vegan and you don't want to promote, any sort of, make sure that you're not wearing wool. Wool can be very itching on the skin, and you don't want to put your skin in a position where you feel inclined to itch it. When you itch it, it tends to get worse, it gets more red, it gets more itchy, and that's just not a nice place to be. Also, when you go to bed, try to wear either silk gloves or a soft cotton glove so that you don't itch your skin with your nails. Number 5 is an amazing practice to do, and it's meditation or relaxation. So whatever your form of relaxation is, you can take a bath. I have heard that if you put Epsom salts or Himalayan sea salt slabs in your bath with you, it's very, very relaxing. You can drop a couple drops of like a lavender essential oil in there as well. But also taking time each day to clear your thoughts. So this could be a little bit odd, I don't know, but I personally, when I start to meditate, what I like to do is I imagine all of my thoughts, in front of me, and I take pretend wiper blades and I wipe the thoughts away. So I just keep doing that in my head. I imagine these wiper blades just trying to get these negative thoughts or any thoughts out of my head so that I have a clean slate, so that I can bring in good energy into my life. And once you do that, start thinking about healing. Start reminding yourself, I'm healing, I'm healing. And then you should be good to go. It reduces cortisol levels. Cortisol is a stress hormone, and you do not want to be stressed. Stress is a huge part of eczema, and if you do get stressed, you might see that your eczema gets a little bit worse. So try to practice meditation or relaxation every single day. So that's it for these 5 tips, and try to incorporate these into your everyday life. Start slowly, incorporate 1 tip. If these tips sound totally bizarre and like something that is not in your lifestyle whatsoever, pick one and start there. If you're not getting outside every day, I know some climates can be very cold, but still bundle up and try to take a walk every day or go to the gym every day or every other day. Just try to get these habits into your life. Alright, I will see you guys in my next video.